In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code for website. It's totally free. You don't need to spend any single money. So first, I copy a website link. You can first copy this link and going on this website like goqr.me. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. You can see here are 9 type of QR code you are able to generate. So I select first on website, then paste here, then click on enter. You can see it's already generated. You are still able to use add a logo here. So this is the paid option. I don't need this one. Wow. Now click on download, select your format png or jpg. So I download this one on jpg, and if I playing on, wow, it's already generated QR code for my targeted website. So this is the method how you can generate QR code for your website. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.